Our leopard? He's emo, as the world's greatest tree climber.
¡Coño!
Hosted by the black and white gang, our leopard blew a fuse. So he decides to sleeps it off. Let the haters hate. But this zen life was shattered by a hunger mare. Until, thanks to the combined forces of snack traction and gravitation, he face plants. But the leopard's motto is, stand high to piss far. So he tries a higher strategy. 900 meters higher. He vows to maximize his losses this time. Life's like a phone call. Sooner or later, you get hung up. The harder you try, the luckier he gets. Don't try, and you die. The leopard's take:
I'll just cry for a month, and I'll be fine, bros. Just 1 month. I'll be good.
Our leopard officially got emo.